Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and check out these amazing snake dangly earrings from NENIMARTJ. I am so in love with these earrings. I love a big statement earring, and these are so perfect. In a past life, I used to have gauged ears, and what I really appreciate about these earrings is that they are big but lightweight, so they are not pulling on my lobes, and they come with the backs that help support the weight of the earring without pulling on your ear. I really love how detailed these earrings are. You can see every little scale and the detail on the snake's face. They are just so beautiful. I was immediately drawn to them when I saw them. I have really long hair, and even with my hair down, you can still see these earrings. I've worn these earrings dressed up for the day in a nice dress. I have been able to wear these when I've dressed down, even just casually. I think these earrings can go with any outfit. So I really love these snake earrings. I think they are absolutely perfect, but that's just my point of view.